Hey everybody, how you guys all doing out there today? Sorry, it has been a lot of sideways movement here, right? Seems like we're getting a little bit of a pop. One thing I've been doing over in the members area is I've been really just kind of watching this 2 day. So my thing is I've been watching this very important 2 day that we have. We're seeing this 2 day, and let me find this. Over where is it at? Where's 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 my 2 day? And where is it? So I've been showing this. Where's the hell is it? There it is. There's the damn 2 day. So your 2 day is on a bleeding nine. And this is kind of the chart I've been using right here. This bleeding nine 2 day right here. We've only actually had a bleed. This is our very first time to have a bleeding nine on the 2 day right here. So I'm going to just buzz this real quick. It's our very first one of the entire year. Look, we've never had a bleeding nine that's a lower. Look there, red nine, flipped, nothing, came down nothing, came down nothing. Look, hit the nine, perfected nine, had the bounce. This is beautiful. Now, this did take a long time to flip simply because we had this insanely massive drop, 2,400 point drop right here, 2,800, whatever. But listen, we're on another red nine. So this would be our very, very first time we've had a bleeding red nine. Now, if you go all the way back, and you go all the way back to 2000. Let me pull this. Alt G, I think it is. Alt G. Right, come on, you piece of crap. All right, hold on. Let me get this all the way over here. So if you go all the way back to 2014 and 15, and you're on the 2 day, you can see that, look, we had, here was a bleeding 2 day nine, right, 2 day nine right here. Very nice bleeding 2 day nine. You see where this baby played itself out right here. Great drop, huge dump right here. Look, 2 day nine, big bleed. There's a second one right there, right? You scoot over a little bit more, and we have another one. There it is. This is a 9. Look, very similar to what we're kind of putting in right now. So here's that 2 day nine right here. And we had kind of just sideways movement, flipped to a 1, and then we ended the bear market on a 2 day nine. Right there it is. We ended the bear market on a 2 day nine. We found baby bull Jesus right here on a 2 day nine. And listen, there's not much you can say other than, that's just that. Now I want to go over here. I want to add an indicator. Let me bring up my RSI. Oh, favorites. There it is. Okay, so now over here you take a look and you see where we're at. We're still in the bearish zone on the 2 day on the RSI. So we're still just cruising in the bearish 2 day zone over here on the RSI. So I just am looking for us to flip this 9, and I really want to see this 9 flip. I want to see this 9 go to a 1. This is really one of the only bullish signs I've got. I've got this as a bullish sign here. So I am watching this as this plays out. Okay, so I am watching this. So I have this marked, in fact. So look, there it is. There's the 2 day bleed, 2 day bleed, 2 day bleed. There's another 2 day bleed. I hadn't even seen that one. Let's move this over here. There's another 2 day bleed right there. So we've got all these 2 days, and then there the 2 day ended the bear market for us where we found baby bull Jesus. It was a beautiful thing. And just there's not much else that we can do right now. We're doing what we do best, and that's just kind of move sideways right now. Listen, I've said this in my posts. I've put this on Twitter. I said this. Just sideways movement. There's not a lot to get excited about here. The volume is still tanking out. Our volume is still dying on a lot of our time frames, right? Let me just buzz through here. This is bullish right here. I would have to say this is bullish. This little bounce right here coming off this indicator TDI did bounce off support right here. But listen, you see all these bounces, you see this movement off, but then you look at the price action, and it's like, where is it, right? Look at this big bounce off right here, off our lower Bollinger Band right here, and there's just this is shit, you know. Even a run up here to 3,500. Now I have to go back, and I'm just gonna warn everybody. I've been warning all the members. I've been telling everybody, you know, when you look at this and you go over to the Gaussian trend line, right? The Gaussian trend line. This is still our main chart right here. This chart says you're trapped in a centrifugal area that has no support and or resistance. You're trapped in the center right here. This is your daily. Your daily, you see right here. Listen, your top side of your daily is 37.74. Your bottom side 31. You got 31.90, 28.20. But I have to go back to just, this is just bots. I mean, I don't see any buyers right here. I don't see any OTC bullshit that people are trying to feed into people right now, that this is a huge OTC buy. I'm sorry, I just don't see any of that. You know, I see bots trading. They're having a great time. This is funny. I just want to know, you know, look at this. Just take a look at this. This is the daily, people. This is the daily. People are getting bullish off this dude. I have pimples that I grew on my ass when I was 12 years old that were bigger than this. Okay, pimples, right? On my ass. I mean, I have nose hairs that are bigger than this. How are people so fucking bullish on this? Seriously, it's unbelievable how retarded Twitter is and how retarded people are when they can look at this. This is shit you get bullish on. Look at these. This is a candle. That's a candle. This is a candle, right? We've talked about this. You go home, you pull this out of your pants. Seriously, you don't get a call back, guys. You don't get a call back. I mean, that's how this goes. You pull something this small out of your pants, she doesn't call you back ever, right? She calls her friends. She tells all her friends about it, and it's embarrassing, right? Listen, you know, we need... show me a run to 3,700. Show me some volume. This is just low volume BS. Look, we just started. We just printed up another day, right? Nice. This, look, the volume is bullish, but listen, I'm calling BS on this volume. I'm calling bullshit, man. There's no price. Where did all this volume come from? With zero price action, right? Like, this is really, the real volume is this size right here. This is wash trading. This is fucking wash trading. This is a joke. This is embarrassing. You can't tell me we got this massive candle right here and we didn't move, right? There's this just simple bots and wash trading, right? Yes, exactly. A $50 move and people lose their damn freaking mind. You know, honestly, break me out over the 37.40 region. Break me out over here of this daily 37.74, and then we'll have a talk, okay? And then I'll get bullish and I'll be excited. But I've told everybody this is a bad place. I warned everybody. I said if you're in a short, I told everybody yesterday, it's a shitty place, right? It's just a shitty place to trade right here. Where's it at? Anyways, if you go into the members area, I'm in the members area saying, you know, just be careful in shorts right here because the 2-day wants to flip, right? The 2-day really wants to flip. And that's what I've been saying, you know, this is, we're in no man's land. Here's the Gaussian trend line. This is a bad place to trade, right? The volume is still super sucky, right? I mean, there's nothing here. I mean, this is I'm not impressed. Any moves that are happening right now just seem to be bots, and it just seems to be a bunch of BS, right? Nah, I'm sorry. You know, 3,500, I just feel this is bots. That's all this is. This is bots. This is bots. This is bots. This is just sideways movement here. We did bounce off the bottom Gauss line. Listen, we had a lot of support we were on. We told everybody there's a lot of support. Here's our RSI on the 2-day. You see, look, we broke out of this little wedge right here. Still going sideways, though. I mean, this is, you know, this is still shit. I've been saying we want to flip this. This is the only bullish thing right here, right here. This is it. This is the bullish thing I've got to see. And that's what I told everybody, right? Now, run up 3,500. Yeah, give it to me, man. Let's do it, right? Let's do it, right? Now, at 9 on the 3-day, right? We're on a 3-day 9 here. You know, imperfected 3-day 9, I will add also, right? So we're on an imperfected 3-day 9. I just have to say, you know, I mean that to me also, you know, that's a little bullish. You know, that's bullish. That wants to flip. It doesn't want to be a 9. I explained it to people in the group. I said, hey, you know, when you hit these 9s, what this is, when it's a red 9, it's oversold. When it bleeds, it's just an oversold. When it's a green 9, it's overbought. When it's a bleeding green 9, it's just overbought. So you got to watch out for that. Now we are testing the resistance here in the center on our mean line. Listen. I think we can break this. I really do. I think there's room to go up to 3,500. I think there's room to move up here. I don't think there's any reason. We want to flip that 2-day and we want to flip the 2-day, and now we have a 3-day. Now the 3-day, I don't like this setup on the 3-day because to me this is just kind of a bearish, big ass bearish pennant that's playing out right here. This just looks like a big bearish pennant to me. But this 3-day 9, no likey, right? And a 3-day 9, red 9. Now that is so far imperfected, right? So when you have an imperfected 9, what that means is you don't have. You want this 9 to be at the bottom. See, like this one. This is a 9 at the bottom. This is good. This gives you a clear sign that, hey, this baby wants to turn around, right? Great indicator. We then did get the long call on the scalper, and then we came back up. So I'm still sitting in some baby longs. I've still got, gosh, I don't know. I've only probably got like a little bit. I like 7-8 grand open from 31 to 3,200. I took profit at 37. I took profit at 34. So I did do okay on that 1-to-1 long, but I still am sitting in part of that trade until we break this lower low and or we get a call on the B scalper that says go short, which we have not got that call yet. Still looking good. This is, you know, there's no reason right here I can't see us not trying to pop up, flip this 9, flip this 9 on the 2-day. No reason for that at all, right? Now, we do have a bunch of bear crosses we've got to contend with here. We're still playing out with this daily 9, right there. This daily bear cross. This is still in play. This is not completed yet. I still have this as a daily bear cross, and I will continue to play this out as a bear cross until it touches the 50. The 30. Once this bear cross, once the price action touches the 30, you do negate or you use or breaks the 30, right? So here, daily 30, 50 bear cross is still active, right? It's still active. The PA needs to break the 30 MA to kill the cross. So your price action needs to hit the 30 MA in order to kill this bearish cross here, just like it did all the way back in the wee days, and I'll show you that. So there's your bearish cross right there in the daily, right? Let me scoosh this baby all up here. Come here. Get all the way back. Let's go back in time. We're going to use our time machine. And there it is. Okay. Here's our time machine. This it? Yep, there it is. So here's our little time machine. Where are you at? Where's Baby Bull G? There's Baby Bull G's right there. Okay. So when you go all the way back here, look, here's our first cross. And I think I had this marked out. And anyways, one of my charts is marked out. So here's your first cross. Look, never touched the 30 MA. This bear cross was still active. It never touched and broke the 30 MA. Until it does that, it's still an in-play bear cross, right? Still an in-play bear cross, right? Just like this. And there you go. Okay. Now, second one. Let's see the second one. There it is. Rejected right back. Look, came right back into it. Look at this. Look at cross. Price goes back into it. Then dies. Okay, hold on. Cross. Price goes back into it. then dies, right? We're going to do, let's pull this up here, right? There it is. Look, it shows that right there. Okay, but we're going to blind this out. There it is one more time. Now, you have to touch the 30 MA, right? You have to touch the 30 MA. Look here. 30, 50, cross, bounce up, does not touch the 30 MA, then dies, right? This PA needs to touch the 30 MA. Okay, yes, we'll go over the 3-day. Let's pull up the 3-day here, okay? There's our 3-day right there. All the way back here, 2015. We're going to pull our 3-day up right here. And where you at? There it is. 3-day has crossed. So we do have a 3-day cross. Now, very interesting, though. We are on a 9 on the 3-day here. Right? We are on a 9. So here your price action was moving up into this cross. Here we're flat into the cross. Here we were on the top. Look at right here at the cross. We were all the way up and we used the Bollinger Band as our topside resistance. Now the mean is our topside resistance right now. So what happened before is looks like we broke out of the top side of that and then came back in, right? Broke out of the top, then came back into it and used the mean line as the support. So right now we have our support as there's our support right there. Let's take a look. And yeah, there's nothing here. Okay, so there is our 3-day cross. 3-day cross hit. But we have that damn TD red 9 on the 3-day. Rats, right? Rats. Okay, I don't like that. A Raven below support. Now, I still have this out as a big triangle. Raven is just bouncing around here. Support, I still have the accumulation zone lower. We have drop below this. Let me get this up. Let me bring this higher. All right, just so everybody can see. Okay. I don't like this. Poor Raven. Raven's taking a freaking beating. Right? RVN. Charts have not changed. Chart's still the same. TRX. TRX had some really weird news. I don't know if you guys saw the article. There was some really weird article that was... Where's that? FamChats. All right, here it is. Really weird article on a warning about Tron from the SEC. And this came from somebody from Cha-Ching Wallet. The CEO of Cha-Ching Wallet says that watch out, Tron. Listen, you do not mess with the SEC. I don't care who you are, what country you live in. You do not fuck with the United States government. They will get you. They might not get you today. They might not get you tomorrow, but they will get you. So Tron at this moment is below the trend line. This has been our trend line forever. Remember, the trend is your friend. There's the trend line. We are sub the trend line right here. Right, we're parked right below the trend line still, using the trend line as our top resistance area. So we're going to put this here. The trend line is now resistance. Danger from the SEC news warning about TRX. So we got to be really careful about that. One of the things we talked about at the crypto convention is that they thought that we hadn't really spoken about this here on the show yet, but there was some secret sauce going around that there were meetings between Vitalik and the SEC over Ethereum and Ethereum settling. Right? Ethereum settling. Yes, I will grab that article. Ethereum settling with the United States government. Okay? Here's the article. There it is. So the United States, so what happened was they're saying that Ethereum is going to settle with the United States government being an ICO and blah, 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 blah. That's not good for Ethereum. And a lot of people think that's why, another reason why they are changing they're changing everything with Ethereum over, and basically they're going to just get a fresh start. They're going to pay a big fat fine and they're going to move on. Now, Ethereum, I'm looking over here at Ethereum, and I have to say in Ethereum, this looks, right? Look, we have, let's see if we can get this a little bit deeper in here, right? So everybody, that's all the women like to hear, right? Get a little bit deeper, right? 2 inches is your friend here. So listen, this looks like a fucking bear. Look at that. That is a bear hanging man. That's a hanging man on Ethereum. That's not good. You have a little bit of descending volume. Your volume is definitely descending here. Your price action is going up. I would say this is bearish divergence on Ethereum. I'm not liking it. But if you go over to, right, hanging man, right? And hold on a second. What did I post before? See, the last time I posted. So you got the hanging man there. You have bearish divergence, right? Yo, right. Oh, okay, sorry guys, I'm trying to do the show. All right, yep, SV's coming. And oh, sorry, fuck, SV. God damn it. Thank you. I delete that out of there. Delete. I put it in the wrong chat. Thank you so much. Good catch, guys. Trying to go quick. All right, BCH. Here we go. And let's grab this one more time. This is SV. Right, hanging man, bearish divergence, right? There we go. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yep, I appreciate it. I know, I got it. All right, not looking good. Still think we're going back down. And Ethereum, let's take a look at Ethereum. Ooh, we got the short call in the 12-hour on Ethereum over here. I would like to say, let's go over and take a look at our charts on ETH. There's the chart right there. What did we get up to? Wow, we got way up there. Double top on Ethereum. 110. Oh man, I gotta open this up. Oh, looky. My God, I love it when my arrows do it. Isn't that great? It looks like it's already there, though. Oh, it's a double top. Oh, it's a Ooh. Ooh, that's not good. Ooh. Ugh. Ooh. Eek. Eek. Ooh. I'm just going to say it one more time. Eek. Ooh. Come here. Get the fuck over here. Where are you at? Where'd you go? All right, sorry, guys. Let me get over here. Eek. Ouch. Seriously, this is retarded. Ouch. Double top. With a double top. Right? So we got a double top with a double top. How's that so big? Jeez, Lord, ladies. Jeez, help me. All right, so we got a double top with a double top. Right? A double top with a double top. I am thinking about that one. Right? A double top with a double top. Right? I know Likey, leaving the arrows the same. Not going to change this. Scooting that over. That does not look good. If this is a double top, the double top target will definitely be right back down to the bottom there. This does post up a double top. I don't like that we didn't hit the 786 though. Right? I don't like that we haven't hit the 786 yet. Telling you, my target is still there. Right? Okay. Right. All right, let's move over to Link. Link's just holding, same position. Now this looks like a bearish wedge. Bearish pennant playing out. How's the volume? The volume looks like shit. This does look like a bearish volume, bearish pennant. Ooh, let's get rid of that. All right, Binance. Let's do Link, LNK. Looking like a bearish pennant. All right. Trying to go as quickly as I can here. But yeah, volume steadily decreasing. Macro and micro. All right, got to be very careful here. So that was a double top. That was an easy double top formation, but this looks like a bearish wedge. So now we're going to move this over here. Looks like a bear pennant. And the volume is dying. Same thing here. Okay. There's that. Let's take a look at XRP. It looks like shit. Same thing. XRP looks the same thing. That looks bullish. Hey, love Australia, buddy. I would love one day. I'm going to come to Australia and visit you guys. I love Australia. All right, Litecoin. Look at Litecoin. On fire, dude. All right, so I have a weird... What the F is this, right? This is... I put this up here. I mean, WTF. What the fuck is this? Look at this candle, right? Look at this huge volume bar, right? Look at this massive volume bar. And then you have this little teeny tiny candle. What the fuck is this? This is just insane, right? The volume died off. The volume picked back up. You're now on a 9. You haven't hit the 200 MA yet. I'm going to slide this down here, right? I'm going to slide this down here. I still don't like it. I still think this is making out a right shoulder, right? I think this is making out a right shoulder here. All right, I think that's all that this damn thing is doing. I still think there's left shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? And I'm gonna get rid of that. You're almost to the 200 MA though, but this volume, I'm calling bullshit on this volume. What the hell? Dude, what news did Litecoin have? Right? What news did Litecoin have? Litecoin, did I miss something? Was there a Litecoin announcement? Right? Did all of a sudden Litecoin Pay work? Did something work that did one of their failed projects kind of quasi work? Litecoin doesn't do anything. It hasn't done anything. It still doesn't do shit. Right? I don't understand this. I don't understand why Litecoin would even go up. It's just fucking retarded. Yeah, I just don't like this. You're on a 9. This is the 12 hour. I would look for a retrace here soon. You've got the 200 MA, so you do have a little bit of room to go here, right? I would say, 35-ish. If this thing were to bleed, I would watch out. Amazon payments. Can you send me a link for that? Yep. Running to the 200 MA on LTC. Right? USD. TC USD. Appreciate that, young man. That LTC bringing out privacy, all right, privacy transaction. All right. Isn't that what everybody else fucking does already? Is that what everybody else does? What's going on, Martin? Let's see what Martin's got to pitch up here. Ethereum. Oh, got a weekly cross. Nice. So do me a favor, Martin. Can you pull that back and see if there was another cross like this on... good job on that chart, though. Great job on the chart. Ethereum weekly. So let's go take a look at Ethereum weekly. Waves. All those people who got wrecked in waves. I'm sorry. Not looking good in waves. Waves not looking good. So I'm going to go to Ethereum. Let's go to the weekly. Was that USD? Let me see that link again. USD. Yeah, it is USD. All right. So let's go to, we're on Ethereum. We're on USD. Let's go to, that's the weekly. Oh, was that the week? What the shit? What the hell am I missing here? Yeah, the 1 week, the 50, and the 200. How do you get that? How do you get that 200 MA? I can't get that. It's Phoenix. Okay. 1 second. I'm going to have to grab this. Hold on. Thank you for that chart. All right, someone has to confirm on Phoenix. All right, Litecoin. Yeah, it looks like shit. You know what really makes me upset is why the hell can't you short fucking Litecoin on Phoenix? Why can't you short Litecoin on Phoenix? I mean on MEX. Why can't you short Litecoin on MEX? Oh, that makes me mad. Right? You can only short LTC BTC on MEX, right? Which does not help. Clearly does not help. U.S. stock exchange is closed. Okay, so let me go over here. I want to run through this real quick. Now, very interesting. Here, look, bounce, 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 bounce. We bounced perfectly off of support. So, now we've been talking about this, but my issue goes back to, all right, so MACD bounced off support, but no real PA bounce, right? So look at this. Look at how high we're moving up here. Look at how massively this run has been, right? Once again, right? We're comparing this, okay? Look at this huge run right here. Okay, there's the huge run, right? And then there's huge run. Pimple on my ass is bigger, right? The pimple on my ass is bigger, right? What the hell? Hit cap blocks. All right, there we go. The pimple on my ass is bigger than the price action move, right? I mean, seriously. This thing ran up nice. Okay, this thing ran up really nice. Copy, paste, right? Nice run. Listen, wow, good run on the MACD. MACD running up, price action going nowhere. To me, that looks like fucking shit, guys. How does that even bullish? That looks like absolute shit. When you run up like that, yeah, dude, seriously, like Litecoin, not like Litecoin going down. Litecoin's about to fall off a damn freaking turnip truck, okay? Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Lower BB support. Okay, there's our 1 day. Rode the mean line, blah, blah, blah. Broke through. So that's actually bullish on the 12-hour. But, oh, did we put in a spinning top on the 12-hour? That sure looks like a spinning top on the 12-hour. Sure looks like a spinning top right there on the 12-hour. Okay, let me pull this over here. Let me do this. Spinning top, right? That is bearish, right? Shit, bearish, divergence, volume. Right. All right, let's move along here as quickly as we possibly can. Unbelievable. Look at this. Crazy. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all these crosses. So every time you get one of these dots, this is a cross, bearish or bullish cross. Look at this. It's like a freaking machine gun, right? It's like somebody shooting the side of a building with a machine gun, like nonstop, right? Like normal price action. Okay, we get it. Right, but this is straight sideways movement, just like we had up here. I'm telling you, this looks like this, 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 and I think it's going to end up with a this, right? I just don't like this, right? Yeah, sure, fake out pumps. I mean, that's all it's been, fake out pumps. If you guys saw my tweet yesterday, fake outs, bots, no volume BS runs. That's all it is, right? Let me see here. Nothing. Whole bunch of nothing. Chalk and money flow. Look at just continued destitute. Chalk and money flow. Absolutely destitute. Still not down to the baby bull Jesus levels we had way back here, 2000, wherever, 2015, right here, January, right? Still not there. This is where we got to get to on baby bull Jesus. We did get pretty low right there. This is really nice. But I'm telling you, people who think the bear market is over, I still cannot see the bear market being over. Now, this right here, right? This is the real, this is it. This is the shiznit of the business of the what's happening right here, right? Like this is what should scare you. This looks like a freaking triangle to me, a bearish triangle. Now look, bounce, bounce, bounce. Wow, right? Dead cat bounces. I don't know. You called this dead cat bounce, right? Right? And hold on. So spinning top equals bear, right? Volume sucks, right? And I'm going to post this one right here. And this one is still in the triangle of doom. Doom. doom, right? We're still in this damn triangle of doom here, trying to break outside of this triangle of doom. So we want to break outside that triangle of doom right there. Nope, never hit our lower support on the RSI. The weekly. Now, I still think I'm still looking for a little lower before we go a little higher. And nothing has changed on the weekly ADX chart. Oh, ooh, nice bounce on the WMA. Legit bounce. Legit bounce. That is a legit bounce on the WMA. What is that doing? Well, that worked, but now I think... I'm going to snap a picture of this. We're headed into resistance. Right? WMA bounce. Nice. To resistance. In the orange box. Okay, so now I still think we're going to go up. Oh, let's get back. Take that back. Now I think we're going to go like this. And we're going to come up here. And then we're going to go down. But is this going to make a head and shoulders or a double bottom? I still think we're going to do something like this. Right? Because I still want to go up. I want to hit that 300. I want to go down and then I want to go up. I want to bounce off like the 200. I want to bounce off the 200. I still want to bounce off the weekly 200 MA first before we go up. Right? Oh, come on. Why didn't you freaking post? There we go. All right. I'm getting to the shorts. I'm getting to the shorts. I'm getting to the shorts. Ooh. Whoa. On support. Look at that. Absolutely on support. See this, people. See this right here? Look, look, look. That is Baby Bull Jesus right here. This is Baby Bull Jesus. This is volatility. Right? This is Baby Bull Jesus. That's Baby Bull Jesus right there. Right? We haven't got anything like that yet. Right? I'm just waiting for something like this. That right there. We haven't got that yet. Where are we at on this chart? Okay. Interesting. I'll come back to that later. Longs to shorts. Longs back down in the danger zone. I'm sorry, shorts back down into the danger zone. Right? Shorts are back down in the danger zone. Longs are getting back up there higher. Longs are over fucking almost overbought. So I would say longs are the danger side here. Longs, the short RSI is oversold, but in the warning area, not super danger area, right? So I would say right now that the longs have climbed back up. They're trying to get themselves back up into the danger area. The shorts have dropped back down drastically. The shorts are definitely, the longs are cruising back up, looking into the over-leveraged area once again. Longs headed back up into over-leveraged area. The shorts dropping back down into the danger oversold area. I would once again be very cautious as you play this because, you know, never use this chart. You want to use this. Longs are definitely out of alignment still with the sideways price action. So, and it's funny. I mean, I see a bunch of longs just getting liquidated. Let's see what we got here. Still bouncing bearish, still nothing. Top side resistance right here is now 35.26. Nah, I've already got that. I already know that. There's nothing changed. Right? Nothing changed at all. Right? Okay. There's the top side resistance. And there we go. Top side first. 35.27. Right, bottom side is still the same, 33.68. Lower support, 33.68. Once again, just caught in the middle of nowhere, nothing happening. Ain't shit going on. Monthly, still nothing. Just nothing looks good here. Volume, let's take a look at our volume here. The volume, oh shoot, sorry, this is the weekly. The weekly volume is, hold on a second, the boss of me. All right, so the weekly volume is not looking good right here. So not looking, you know, the weekly volume, this is bearish volumes increase still over the week. I don't like it. I just still crappy volume. Nothing good to report here. Week ends in tomorrow, so we got one more week tomorrow, one more day tomorrow, and then we'll close this baby out. We got exactly 24 hours to close this out. Now, I want to go out and show you the monthly. This is the very last thing I'm going to show, and then I am going to be done for this session. Let me go find the chart I want to use. And I'm going to use this one, right? There is our monthly. Let's bring our, sorry, get back there. I'm going to bring up the monthly and just say this is a crock of freaking rabbit crap right here. Unbelievable. Look at this. Like, this to me, that's bullshit right there, people. That's fucking just a crock of bullshit. All right. This is just horrific. This means we can still range all through February, right? What the fuck? Seriously? You remember, this means Feb can still be good, but March is fucked. All right, so March is fucked. I'm still saying that. February can still be good for us, but March is completely fucked. Okay, how's that? And that's what I want. That's it, right? All right, I think we're good. I think that's it. I don't have anything else. I want to say thank you to everybody out there. I tried to make this as quick and painless as possible. My charts really haven't changed. I'm not going to change anything right here. The bulls are still fucked until they can get back up over this. That's it. This is your heavy resistance. Still looking for this to possibly get up here, try to test this, but I'm still looking for that touch back down to the bottom side before we get our bounce, right? I'm still looking for a down before we get our bounce, right? So we keep moving sideways here. Dook, 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 dook. So now I'm limiting us 26, and there we go, right? Right, still in play. Let's one last thing. Let me find this daily. So the daily 30. What the hell's the daily? Oh, it's freaking Ethereum. Let me find it. Where's the daily 30 at? Daily 30, daily 30, daily 30. There it is. Our daily 30 MA is at 3614. So 3614 is our bullish break, right? So let's move this up, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go like this. 3614 to break this, right? So we need 3614 to break this. And then we'll put this 3614. There it is. Okay. And at everyone, bulls need 3614 to break the daily bear cross. All right, I want to say thank you to everybody out there. Man, I really appreciate it. All I could ever ask is, and I know, listen, I will get to my messages. I have a gazillion messages I will answer. All I ever ask from everybody out there, thank you so much for being here. Just hit that share button. Get over there, smash that share button. Oh my God, my computer's so slow. I'm going to have to restart it. Hit that share button. Throw out there. Listen, this is the finest, the most amazingest, the bestest in the whole wide world. You get humor. You get education. You get free financial advice on marriage and your significant other, right? That's the only financial advice I will ever give is on your dating and your married life, right? I've got all of it. Go short on marriage, go long on being single, go short on strippers and hookers, go long on listen, go long on yourself, okay? I am the Vamp. We are from Trading Associates. I want to say thank you. Have a good weekend and an exciting Super Bowl weekend to all those Americans out there with that other kind of football. I am out.